since the beginning of civilization. At that time, nearly half of the continents were covered with forests. Until the first half of the 20th century, it was mostly the temperate forests of Europe, Asia, and North America that were cleared. Since then, it has been the tropical rainforests that have rapidly been cut down. Forests are cleared either by using machines or by burning. Deforested areas are used for growing crops, but this activity is short-lived. The soil becomes infertile after a few years, so further areas have to be cleared. There are several reasons for deforestation. Timber is used by many industries, for instance, to make paper or furniture. Other, more common reasons are to use deforested areas as pastures for livestock for dairy and meat production, as well as to cultivate various crops, such as coffee and cocoa plants and oil palms. Palm oil is a commonly used raw material for biodiesel and for most cosmetic products. In addition, it is present in most processed food products as well, for instance in margarine, biscuits, and chocolate. Forests, however, are of great importance for many reasons. They play a key role in maintaining biodiversity, in regulating the climate, and in protecting the soil from erosion. During photosynthesis, forests use carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen, thus maintaining the proper composition of the atmosphere. By fixing carbon dioxide, they control the greenhouse effect and, as a result, they regulate the global climate. Due to deforestation, the amount of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, thus enhancing the greenhouse effect and causing the climate of the Earth to become warmer. Deforestation also affects the amount of precipitation in a particular area. The water absorbed and later transpired by trees is a significant source of precipitation. Deforestation considerably increases the rate of infiltration at the expense of evaporation. Therefore, if the forest is destroyed, less water vapor is released into the atmosphere, causing less precipitation. As a result, the climate of the deforested area becomes drier. Thanks to the cycle of precipitation and evaporation, the level of the groundwater in rainforests is nearly constant. Since there are no trees to absorb precipitation after deforestation, the rate of infiltration increases, causing a rise in the level of the groundwater. Because of the evaporation of the groundwater, salt concentration increases near the surface of the soil. As a result, plants die out and soil degradation starts. Soon, the soil becomes infertile and unlivable for both plants and animals. Rainforests are characterized by great biodiversity. However, as a result of deforestation, a large number of species are on the verge of extinction, including orangutans, for example. These apes have already lost 90% of their habitat. Since the 1990s, the combined area of the Earth's forest has decreased by 3%. That is, by about 1,300,000 square kilometers. This is roughly equivalent to the size of South Africa. Areas threatened by deforestation include the Amazon region, Indonesia, and the tropical rainforests of Africa.